Hello, guess what time it is? Oh, you don't have to guess. It's actually 6 p.m. and I'm going to see the biggest waterfall in Maragua. It's called it's in Maragua, but in Gakoigo. Yeah, my sister is here, but in Kikuyu it's called Ndurumo. A waterfall in Kikuyu is called Ndurumo. Now that one is called Ndurumo. Yeah, Stanley. So I am here with my sister. Let me stay on this side. And my niece. Say hi. Say many hi. Say hi.
Hi.
I am Wangali. Kwani ni nini mbaya na nyinyi? Yeah, so we're going to see a waterfall at 6. So you can imagine like how cold it is right now. I guess it's very cold. But let's get there and see. My name is Rebecca Wanjiro, also known as the Village Girl. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. You can follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, anywhere. We are waiting for our ride. He's late. I mean, we are late, but he's late.
Nice, we're going to get out.
Oh, zile za China. What just happened? Okay, let's go back. So the one thing you'll notice about Maragua is that a lot of people have banana plants and plantations. Actually, like there are people who are farming bananas in large scale. So as you can see behind me, we are already at the river. This is River Maragua. I'm sure you can hear it. Welcome to Muranga County.
Hiyo ni nini? Ni pump ya haitumii mafuta.
Inatumia maji.
Inatumia hiyo maji tu.
Aya.
Inatumia hiyo maji.
Hii.
Unaona maji yale. Hii inakuwa
I forgot how to swim. I actually learned how to swim in this river. This river, not this exact spot, but this river. Is it just me, or is everyone obsessed with water? Because really, water bodies are my thing. I love rivers, I love oceans, I just love water. the map, but it's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. I love it.
Hey, nada. Murado que ine. Ay.
Oh, ako ate? Yeah. What? So, okay, there's like a stream here, and there are these leaves. They're called domasiaro. So you know ndomas are arrowroots. Their leaves also look like this, exactly like this. And fun fact, so these one are are called arrowroots of the river. So fun fact about these leaves is that if you put water in them and then you pour it, the leaf doesn't look like it has touched water at all. Like it just looks as dry as it was before. Let me try here. Let me show you what I mean. So like that. Look at that. Look at that. You see? Don't worry, that's a blister. I have a blister. Look at that. Now you can use this as your cup to take water. Look at that. Still remains dry. That was magical. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Make sure you subscribe and share.